What's the meaning of British Sky Broadcasting? British Sky Broadcasting. British Sky Broadcasting.
British Sky Broadcasting. British Sky Broadcasting. British Sky Broadcasting, also known as Sky UK, is a telecommunications company in the United Kingdom that provides television and broadband internet services to customers. The company was originally founded in 1989 and is headquartered in London. It offers a range of digital TV services, including satellite TV and on-demand content, as well as a number of broadband packages at varying speeds. In addition to its residential services, Sky UK also serves businesses with specialized offerings. As of 2023, the company is owned by Comcast Corporation but continues to operate under the Sky brand.